Nikilam only, no, sir. Last from 10, all from 9.
Yes. In the last
Sir,
class,
can you please wait for
in the-
5 minutes?
Sorry? What, Shahu?
Continue.
Okay, see. In the last class, we have completed Nikilam Sutra. Later, we started. So, can you please wait for 5 minutes? Why, Shahu? Okay, just we'll revise. In the meantime, we'll revise. Okay. Last time we started with this exercise, I think. Correct? After that, we completed this one with the currency. And later,
Yes,
we
sir.
have
Pounds.
completed this. Internet issue. Okay, you carry on. Yeah, later we started with the new thing, that is balancing rule. So what is this balancing rule? Is it addition? What type of operation? Is it addition or subtraction or division?
It's applicable for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Yeah, it is just applicable for all these things, but not. It is not any mathematical operator directly. It is not any mathematical operator, but we can use it anywhere in mathematics. Major application is in additions, then multiplications, then divisions, and then squaring and cubing. Squaring, cubing, nothing but multiplication only, no? Yes or no? Multiple times of addition, repeated addition, nothing but multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Repeated multiplication, nothing but squares and cubes. And as well as we use this in divisions also. So I will show that application in divisions also. So how to balance? Just tell me that procedure. How to balance two numbers? Some 67 balance with the 24.
Sir, I can't.
Sir, I cannot see your screen. Pause.
So we need to keep the units digit and the first digit down, and we need to add the middle digits.
Yeah, 1 second. Akash, what happened?
Sir, I can only see the homework screen, so I cannot see any whiteboard.
Yes,
Yes,
sir, even I.
Okay.
Sir, I can see that only the homework which you gave yesterday, day before yesterday.
Okay. I forgot that one.
That's what I was saying, sir.
Yeah. I'll share it.
Sir, I think you shared with the tab, so that's why it was showing a particular tab.
Now?
Yes, sir.
It's visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
So till now what we have discussed, it is not there, right? So we completed this one, Nikilam, and we have completed with the currencies, right? And later we completed with the
Pounds.
last exercise,
Yes,
all types of all mixed question. And later we started with this balancing. Okay.
Sir, how to
Yeah.
balance 3-digit number with 3-digit number?
Yeah, I'll show that one also. Now, see how to balance the 67 with the 24. Drop.
So we should write
Same as
Carry.
67 is equal to
67 plus
694.
694.
694 is the balancing of result of balancing of these two numbers. Okay. 3 digit into 3 digit. How to balance them, right? 234.
Yes.
How to balance with the 120? Some 8.
So 12
Always,
plus 34.
yeah, always drop units place and carry forward the remaining portion. So add 12 to 234. 234 plus 12.
246.
That's
246.
246 and 8 already there. 2468.
2468.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, with that balancing rule we completed. We have done one exercise also. This one. Remembered? And actually without using this balancing rule, correct? By using
Yes,
which
sir.
one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, yes, sir. One bit you explained with the balancing rules, sir. Only one bit.
Yes. See, for only two numbers, this is applicable. I told that point. This methodology, only for two numbers. Some 76 add with 84. If this is the case,
6
so
plus
left to right. First, 7
7
and
plus
8.
8.
7 plus 8 is
15.
15. To see the next place. While writing 15 here, see the next place.
Yes, sir.
16.
That a carry combination or a non-carry?
Carry
16.
carry
Carry combination. That's why
16.
increase one number. 15
Zero.
becomes 16. And 6 and 4 end number is
0.
0.
160. Okay. So this
So
is
now we can do
applicable for.
balancing rule.
We'll go with the balancing rule also. Suppose same question if using balancing rule. See 76 and 84. Tell me 7 plus 8 is 15. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now balance 15 and 10.
Yes, sir. 5 plus 1, 160.
Sir,
Five
160.
plus zero.
Sir, 160.
160.
Drop 0. Carry forward 1.
6.
15 plus 1 is 16. Again the same.
So can you give some practice sums so that
And
we can solve?
Yeah, wait. For two numbers compared to 1, 2 is better or not?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yes, sir.
Of course.
Yeah, this is for only two numbers. Two numbers means not for 2-digit numbers. I'm not telling about 2-digit numbers. I'm telling about two numbers. This is number 1 and this is number 2. The numbers may be of any number of digits. Suppose like 6, 5, 8, 4, 2, 3, 1, then 4, 2, 9, 8, 7, 6. This type of question also we can do with this one only, this second method, second approach only, without balancing. Okay, because if we add 2 digits, maximum will get up to
10.
18 only. Correct?
18.
Highest digit is 9. If
Nine,
we add
nine.
2 9s, highest will be 18.
18. 9 times 18.
Means it will not
Yeah,
enter
9
into
to
20s also. That's why we increase 1 only. Okay. Yeah, let us do the next exercise. Yeah, you can give your names. Up to H, 8 questions are there.
Sir, how to do like 3 plus 3? How to do, sir? 2 plus 2, I understood, but 3 plus 3, I didn't.
Yeah, I'll show that one also. If anybody understood that one also, after two numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, if you got an idea on that one, you can take H. If anyone. Otherwise, I'll show it for H. Because H is the 3-digit number. Sorry, 3 numbers addition. 3 numbers addition. So I'll start from.
Sir, actually, instead of taking B, I want to take for H.
Who?
Jeshmita, sir.
Okay, H.
Yes, sir, I want to try.
Okay, very good.
Sir, can you explain?
Sir, I took E, not A.
Digit?
Sorry. Every time it is.
Sir, Akash took it.
Okay.
So by mistake, sir, you got
Somebody is asking something. I think Siddhartha.
Sir, can you explain one sum, sir?
Yeah, I'll explain. Wait. D, Ritvik.
Sir, I took G.
Okay. Wait. D, Srihita. G, Shahu. Okay. A, Akasha.
Sir, I wrote F Satvik.
F, Satvik. And then B, Jashmita. Okay. H, Akash again. Akash, is it same? You only?
Sir,
Okay. Meanwhile, you have given that name. Okay.
Yes, sir. So then Jeshmita took it, then you wrote A request. So I wrote B Akash, so that's why they were a little bit confused.
Okay. So one question remaining. B. Akash is with question number 1. Anyone can take B. Any other person? I expected many names, but here it came less number of questions. Less than number of questions.
Sir, actually, I have also a little doubt in this. That's why I took G.
H. You have doubt in H. Okay. Somebody,
No,
somebody
sir,
can take
I have
B.
doubt in this technique. That's why I took G.
You have doubt in B.
No, sir, I said that I have doubt in this technique. So that's why I took
Okay,
a
okay,
little
okay.
long sum G1.
Okay. I'll explain a separate question. Later we'll take this exercise. Remaining persons, are you there or not there? Remaining persons, anyone can take B. Likita, what happened?
Sir, Akash
Actually, I
took B, sir.
not understand, so
Not
I've
understood the
little
method.
trouble
Okay.
in yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Little
So,
trouble
4 digit
understanding
number.
this method.
Okay. So now you should be clear with this exercise. Not only you, all of you, whoever not understood till now, should understood by this by the end of this exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Ayush, what happened? Why don't you take B?
Sir, I didn't understand the method.
Okay. So, okay, let me explain the method first. Later, anyone can take B.
So can you do 4 digit numbers?
Yeah, I'll take 4 digit number only. 4, 9, 7, some 8. Add with 9, 3, 5, some 7. Okay, all of you see clearly, carefully. Whoever not understood, I'm telling to those people. Left to right addition. First 4 plus 9 is how much? 4 plus 9 is how much? 13. Only while taking first column, we'll take complete number. That is 13. Okay, 13. But while writing 13 here, see the next column. Is it a carry combination or non-carry combination? So what is meant by carry? Yeah, see what is meant by carry combination is if you add 2 digits, it will, if it is equal to, greater than or equal to 10, it is a carry combination. Okay, if we add 2 digits, if it is less than 10, it is a non-carry combination. Okay, and means the sum of 2 digits is single digit, it is non-carry. Sum of 2 digits is double digit, it will be a carry combination. Okay, carry combination will get maximum of 18 only, will not get more than that 18. 10 to 18 is the range. Okay, so if next is the carry combination, then take one number extra here, add 1 here. 4 plus 9 actually 13, but I'll write 14 here because the next place is a carry combination. Okay, all of you clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See,
Yes,
from the
sir.
next place onwards, don't need to take a complete number. Take only end numbers. 9 plus 3, end number. 9 plus 3, end number. 2. But while writing 2, see the next place. Carry
3, sir. 3, sir. 3, sir. Actually.
Carry, that's why 3.
Again 3, sir.
Yeah, next is 7 plus 5 is 2. End number is 2, but write it as 3 because next place carry.
Yes, sir.
So 8 plus 7 is end number.
Yes, sir. In number 5, sir.
5. That's all. That's the answer. Okay. If you understood this method and if you practice like this, then additions are very simple.
Take B. Can you explain this like 3 digit number? 3 digit number.
Sir, I will take B.
Who is going to take?
Pallav sir will take B.
Okay, Pallav. Very good.
Sir, can you explain the 3 digit plus 3 digit?
Yeah, I'll explain with the 3 digits. Any number of digits, this processor is same, right? You can consider up to this point, it's a 3 digit plus 3 digit number.
Okay, sir. I understand.
Okay. See, I'll explain one more example with 3 digits. Some 7, 2, 5, and 8, 1, 9. Yeah. Now answer this one. 7 plus 8 is? All of it. 7 plus 8 is?
15, 5.
No. First column it is. Take the
Sir,
complete
15.
number.
15, sir.
15.
That's
So
wrong.
can I write 15 or 16?
15, sir, because it's not a carry combination. It's not a
Yeah.
carry combination.
Because next place is not a
Three.
carry combination.
Carry
That's why 15 as it is. Okay. 2 plus 1?
3.
3.
3. But the next place is
5 plus 1.
Carry
Carry combination. 4.
carry combination.
1,
That's why
4.
4. And 5 plus 9 end
4.
number.
4. 4.
End number 4.
1,
That's
5, 4, 4.
yeah. 1544. All of you clear? Remaining persons, I'm asking particularly remaining persons. Whoever not understood, okay.
Yeah. Sir, I
Siddharth?
did all the questions.
Yeah. Siddharth, now okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Likhita? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dhatri? Dhatri? Understood this method? I think Dhatri is not there in our class. She is there. It is showing, but she is not there in front of the class. Akshara?
Yes, sir.
Akshara?
Yes, sir.
Understood this one method?
Sir, kind of.
Yeah, all of you, I'm telling again, by the end of this exercise, you should be clear. Otherwise, you can ask me again. I'll tell with some other, by taking some other questions. Okay. So if you are clear with this, then only I'll go to the next concept, that is subtractions.
Sir, it is clear, sir.
Okay. We'll start with Akash. Remaining, try to observe them, how they are giving the answers. Okay, try to observe their explanations and try to understand their explanations.
So shall I start, sir?
Yeah, you can.
Sir, we will write 3 plus 4 as 8 because the next number is having a carry combination, which means 6 plus 5 is 11.
3 plus
So-
4 is actually, one
7.
second, somebody is waiting at the Satvika also, Shahu also. Okay. Yeah, 3 plus 4 is actually 7, but by seeing
Yes,
the next
sir.
place, we,
So as the next
carry-
place is having a carry combination, so that's why
Excellent.
we are taking it as 1 digit adding. So
Excellent.
here
Sir.
we'll write the unit digit of their sum. So that means their sum is 11. So we'll write the unit digit as we have taken a carry from them.
Okay, that's why 2 or 1.
Sir, 1 only. So because the next number
place
is
is
not having
non-carry.
carrying yes, sir. That's why. And we can easily write 3 plus 6, which is 9. So our answer will be 819.
Yeah, below 10, some below 10, we can call them as natural additions, right?
Yes, sir. They are natural additions.
Okay, right. Shahu, asking something.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, audible now.
Sir, the way you explained below, we have to do the sums by same way.
Yeah, in the same way, except this
Okay.
H. Except this H.
Okay,
H
sir.
we'll see in the balancing, using balance method. We'll see. Yeah, Pallav.
Yes, sir. 8 plus 9 gives 17, sir.
Okay. We should write
Next
17
one is-
or one extra.
Yes, sir. 17 only because next one is not a carry combination.
Very good.
1
Correct.
plus 1 is 2. But
Okay.
next is a carry combination. So we have to add 1, sir. It is 3.
Okay.
Then 9
9
plus 8
plus
gives
8,
17.
end
So
number.
we have to write 7.
No need to tell
Yes, sir.
17
The
also.
end number
You
is 7.
That's why in the last class, I told try to practice some 50 to 100 end number combinations without writing complete number, without thinking of complete number. Just you can tell the end number. 9 plus 8, 7. That's all. And with 9, it is easy, correct? Whatever number is combining, just before number is the end number.
Answer.
Yeah. Joya, ready?
Yes, sir. 7 plus 4 will be 11, but the next one is a carry combination, so it will be 12.
Okay.
And 7 plus 4 end digit is 1, and next the carry combination, so it will be 2.
That's why 2. Okay.
And 7 plus 4 end number is 1.
That's all. If it is a end place, directly we can take that. Very good. Correct. Srihita.
Yes, sir. So 7 plus 1, 8.
Okay.
Sir, we should not add any number as the next one is not a carry combination.
Very good. Correct.
Then 3 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 3, 6. And we should add 1 as 7 plus 9 is a carry combination.
Okay, right.
And 7 plus 9 is 16. And the last digit is 6. 876.
Directly you can 6. End number 6. That's all. 7 plus 9, end number 6.
Yes.
Next, Ritvik.
Sir, 3 plus 9 would be 12. And we need to write 12 because the next one.
Something is happening.
Shall I proceed?
Satvik.
Sir, actually I joined from my phone. I'm joining from my laptop. My laptop got stuck, sir. Now it's okay. I'm joining now, sir.
Yeah, Ritvik, proceed.
Sir, 3 plus 9 would be 12. We should not add any number because the next is not a carry combination. And 4 plus 3 is actually 7, but the next number is a carry combination. So we need to add 1, which would be 8.
Very good.
And next 5 plus 7, which would be 12. So we need to write 2.
Yeah, directly you can tell 2. Yes, very good. F, Satvik.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 3 plus 1 is 4, and the next number is a carry combination, so we should write 5.
Okay.
Sir, and 8 plus 3 is the end digit number is 1.
Okay.
The next digit is carry combination, so we should write 2.
Okay.
So the next 8 plus 6 is 14, sir. 4, the next is carry combination, so we should take it as 5.
Okay.
9 plus 3, the end digit is 2.
That's all. Very good. Correct. Shahu. Shahu. Maybe now he's not audible, right? Yeah, his phone is unmute condition only, but
Sir, he's trying to see, but I think we have some audio issues.
okay, Shahu, meanwhile you can leave the class and join again. Jashmita.
Yes, sir. 4 plus 4 is 8. The
Okay.
next number is a carry combination, so we need to write successor of 4, which is 9. Successor of 4 plus 4.
Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Suppose you are telling that is successor. If the next combination is 9, 9, 9. Shahu, just wait. Just wait. After the question H will take it. Okay. Yeah. Jashmita, see if the next combination, sorry, if the second column is a 9, 9, 9, then what will be the sum of 9, 9, 9? 27,
27.
right? 27 means actually you have to add 2, right? Here.
Okay, sir.
So that's why we cannot say it is a successor, means we have to add 2. So here confidently we can say 2, add 1, because we are going to add only 2 numbers. Maximum sum is 9 plus 9, means 18. In 18 we'll send only 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why. So here we use a balancing rule, that is better.
Okay, sir.
4 plus
Tell me
4 is 8. 4
is
plus
8.
8.
1 second.
Yes, sir. 4
Here
plus
I'm writing.
8 plus
4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Then
4 plus 8 plus 5 is 17.
okay, 17. Then
4 plus 3 plus 5 is 12.
okay. Next
4 plus 8 plus 5 is again 17.
17. That's all. Now balance. Simple.
7
7
will
drop.
drop directly.
1 carry.
1 plus 2.
In that
1 plus
13.
13, yes.
Yeah,
Again
in 13.
carry 18.
Drop 3.
Drop.
1
Again
carry.
carry 18. Drop 8.
Okay.
8 plus 1, 9.
Okay.
Drop 9.
Yes. So finally answer is 9,837. Okay. So for only 2 numbers, simply we are skipping this one. We are escaping from this. Got it?
Sir, may I solve now?
Yeah. You got understood this one, Shahu?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. For more than 2 numbers, better balancing rule. If it is whatever bigger may be the number. So for only 2 numbers, this is better. Okay, Shahu, proceed.
Sir, 9 plus 8 it is 17. As the earlier one is of carry, we will take it as 18.
Okay.
And here we will write it as 3 because the answer is 13.
Okay, 6 plus 7, end number is 3.
Yes.
Is it 3
And
only
sir,
or next we have to write 4?
No, sir, 3 only because next one is not of carry.
Okay, right, 3 only. Next
Then
is
next one also 3 because yes or no, it will be 4 because the next one is of carry.
okay.
And the next one will be 0.
That's all. Very good. Correct. Okay, now I want to know those people who are not understood in the previous exercise. Yeah. Dhatri, am I audible?
Sir, you are audible.
I am audible, but Dhatri is speaking something, but unable to. She's
Yes,
not
so
audible.
she's speaking, but it's not coming out.
Okay, okay. Some technical problem.
There she can rejoin.
Already she's rejoining. Already she completed that 2 times or 3 times.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Who? Satvik?
Sir, yes, sir. I'm Satvik, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
H1. Sir, H1 I used from left to right. That thing I got the same answer, sir.
Left to right or right to left?
Left to right, sir. All the sums, like how we did that only H1 I did. I got the same answer, sir.
But here we cannot say 4 plus 4 is 8, but we have to write 8. Sorry, we have to keep it 8, or we have to make it 9, or we have to make it 10. We don't know that. After taking this sum only, we can tell that.
So that's what, sir. We should do 8 plus 5 plus 4, whichever is in the tens place. The first one, we should add those money to that number, sir. Like that I did, I got the same answer.
Yes.
Like that I did, sir.
Okay, okay. Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you clear with this method?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Navyasri, just now joined.
Sir, I was in the waiting room before, sir.
No. Just I saw that one and immediately I allow you. Divyesh. Divyesh. If you have any problem, we can type in the chat box.
Sir, your voice is breaking and you're not audible.
Okay. Then Akshara.
Yes, sir.
Now clear with this method?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Navyasri.
Yes, sir.
So can I get know what we have discussed now?
What, Akash?
Sir, I told can I know what we have discussed because suddenly my computer was shut.
Nothing. We just completed this exercise. That's all. Likita. Likita. What happened today?
Yeah. Sir, there was something like option came like unmute and I was confused. So I
Yeah, I
late
asked
respond.
you to unmute.
Yes,
Now
sir.
clear with this method?
Sir, other two, if they give me examples, I will do it, sir. Yeah, I understand it.
Okay, I'll give some more exercises. Okay. Rishit,
Yes, sir.
why are you silent today?
Sir, I joined late, sir. That's why I didn't put it in the chat, sir.
Okay. Navya?
Sir,
Yes,
sir.
sir, are we going to take any more exercises?
yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, before going to another, Navya,
Yes, sir.
joined late, right?
Yeah, exactly, sir.
Why? 22 minutes late, I think. 22 or 30 minutes.
I kind of had an internet problem, so I was
Okay.
trying to connect.
Yeah. Shreya,
Yes, sir.
clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. We are going to take another exercise. But before that, see here we have did this method. We did this method with two numbers only, right? And in only H
Yes,
we have
sir.
done with three numbers. Suppose if it is the case, see. Yeah, see. One digit numbers only. We have to add all the numbers. Adding all the numbers.
Sir, these.
Somebody is telling something. Suddenly.
Sir, this is like so big and incredible. Like so big.
Yeah, see how to say. Let's see how to do this type of questions in our Vedic.
Sir, we cannot see the complete question as well.
That's all. This is the question, complete question. So it started with the 6, started from 6, and up to
Sir,
this.
go up, sir. Can you go a little up?
Nothing
See if
is
there's
there.
more.
Nothing is
Yes,
there.
sir.
Okay. Ready?
Sir, this sum we are going to solve by balancing.
Yeah, by using this end number concept and not using balancing rule. For single row, for single column, no balancing rule is required.
Sir, I think 6 plus 4, 10, 19, 24, 31, 37, 39.
Okay. That's the general approach only, right? Conventional method only. See the other alternative method. See, I'm adding two numbers.
Sir, we can do one thing that if the addition of two numbers comes 10, then we can take it as one dot and then we can go up.
Yes, very good. That's one. That's what. Yeah, take the n number and put a dot there, and means leaving it 10. If it is exceeding 10, take the n number and leave 10. Remember the n number and go to the next place. See, I'm doing it from bottom to top. 8 plus 7. Tell me, 8 plus 7, 15 means dot and 5. Dot and 5.
So we can even put slash.
One second. Somebody is waiting in the Satvik again problem.
Sir, my mic is not working, sir.
Okay. Just listen to the class. Okay, no need to reply. Okay, Satvik.
Sir, my mic was not working in my laptop. I joined from phone, sir.
Okay, no issue.
Sir, that in laptop webcam lose connectivity.
Sir, is there something above? Sir, is there something above 6 or from 6 only the sum starts?
Yeah, from 6 only the sum started. From
Okay,
6
Sir,
only.
got the answer as 108, sir.
Just see the method. Let all the persons should understood. Okay, see 8
sir,
plus
it is
7.
like plus 4. Sir,
See,
from down to up we have to do.
let me explain. 8 plus 7, 15.
15.
Put a dot and keep 5 in the mind.
15.5 we have to write, sir. 0.5.
Yeah, no need
And
to
5
write.
plus 6.
Keep 5 in the mind, put a dot here. That's all. Okay. 5 plus 6, 11.
11
Dot and
we
1.
have to put a dot.
Dot and 1.
Yes, sir.
1 plus 7, 8.
8
8 plus 1, 9. 9
9
plus
plus
6,
5.
14. Dot and 4.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
15. 9 plus 6, 15.
Yes, sir. 9 to 15.
Okay. 9 plus 6, 15. Dot and 5. Okay. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Dot and 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Dot and 8.
18.
Dot and 8.
14, 4.
8 plus 5, 13.
14.
Dot and 3.
Sir, 13.
13 only. Dot and 3. 3 plus 4, 5. Sorry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5,
4.
9. 9 plus 2,
9.
11. Dot and
11.
1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Dot and 4.
14.
4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Dot and 8.
Sir, dot and 8.
Dot and 2. And that's all. 8. 8 is the end number. Now count the number of
Sir, we
dots.
have to write. Sir,
1,
first
2,
we have to write
3,
8
4.
and we have to count the dots, sir.
Yes, sir. 108. I got the same answer. I did like this only
Sir,
108.
10, sir. 108. Correct, sir.
Yes.
I
That's the end number. Whatever is
Sir,
the
I
remaining,
didn't
that's the end
understand
number.
the method.
Sir, even I didn't understood. Siddharth was speaking in between.
Sorry?
So actually, like when you were explaining to Siddharth, I think he was answering, so I was not able to understand what you were saying.
Yes, sir, even me.
Sir, I understood, sir. I think this is the one which last ma'am teaches, sir. Vedic class.
Yes, sir. We know this. We learned in the last class.
Okay. There are some new persons also there now. Try to let them understood. See here, remaining persons. All of you in mute condition. Keep your mic in mute condition. Just see what I am explaining. Some 8, 6, 5, 3, 9, 1, 4, 3, 7.
Sir, can we do that from top also?
Yeah, from top also we can do. I'll do it from top. Okay, see. 6 and 8 dot 4. 5, 9 dot 2.
2, sir.
Wait, Siddharth, I think. Don't speak. Okay, I'm explaining again. 8 plus 6, 14 dot 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 2. Sorry, 12 dot 2. Okay. 2 plus 9, 11 dot 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 7, 16 dot 6. And 6 plus 6, 12 dot 2. Okay. 2 is the end number. Count the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 52 is the sum. Okay.
So how to get to know the dots? How many dots we have to keep?
Sorry.
Sir, so how to know that how many dots we have to keep? Like as we do like 8 plus 6 dots.
So this method name Satvik. I think it is Dashamsha.
Yes, sir. Its name is balancing application.
So last Vedic teacher said that it's dot addition.
Dot addition in English.
No, that Shuddha subtraction and Shuddha, that's
Yes,
something
sir.
she do.
Yes, sir.
Dashamsha.
Dashamsa. Okay, sir.
Okay, Dashamsha means we have to keep tens aside and we have to hold n number. Okay. Balancing application also we'll see with this only. See one more question. Jashmita, can you explain this in our approach? Only Jashmita.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from top to bottom or bottom to top?
Top to bottom.
Okay, proceed.
8 plus 6.
Hmm.
8 plus 6 is 14, so 0.4.
Okay.
4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 4, 13, so 0.3.
Okay.
3 plus 7, 10, 0.0.
Okay. 0 means no need to remember anything. Now fresh again.
Plus 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0.0 again.
Okay.
5, 5 plus 8, 13, 0.3. 3
Okay.
plus 7, 10.0.
Okay.
0 plus 2, 2.
Yeah, here no need to mention 0 plus 2 because after 0, it's a fresh sum again.
2 plus 9, 11.1.
Okay.
1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10.0.
Okay.
4 plus 8, 12.2.
Okay.
2 plus 9, 0.11.
Okay. 0.1.
0.1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 3, 11, 0.1. So 1 is n number. Number of dots is equals to 1,
1, 1, 1.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
1, 1,
1,
1.
1.
So number of dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct. So 11 dots, that's why 11 and end number 1. So 1, 1, 1. That's the answer.
Sir, the next one may I do?
Okay, Shehu. But it's a double digit number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
how to do it
Sir,
for
I know we need to do the number of dots in this one we need to take, and
Okay.
units digit we need to write of this first column in the
Okay.
answer section. The number of dots we have to continue in the next one, and then we have to write as carry.
Yeah, otherwise do it for first column and write the sum here, and do it for the next column, write it here and use the balancing.
Yes, sir, that also we can do.
Okay.
Sir,
Proceed.
7 plus 5, it is 12.
Okay, right side you are doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then it will means we will put a dot and take carry 2.
Okay.
Then 8 plus 2, 10, carry 0.
Okay.
Then 9, 9 plus 5, it will be 14, carry 4. 1 dot.
4.
Then 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Dot, carry 0.
Dot 0.
5 plus 5, 10. Then dot, carry 0. 2 plus 9, 11. Dot, carry 1.
Okay.
1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Dot, carry 2.
Okay.
Then 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Dot, carry 1. Then
Actually,
1 plus 5.
okay. Actually, that is not carry. That is an end number.
Yes, sir. And number 1. Then it will be.
This is 1, right?
Yes, sir. 1. Then 6 plus 5, it will be again 11. Then carry 1 means and number 1.
Okay.
And then 1 plus 6, 7. And 7 plus 5, again it will be 13.
Dot and?
No, sorry.
12. Dot and?
Yes, sir. 2.
2.
So we will write 2 down. And 10 dots are there, sir. Means 102.
So I'm writing here 102. Okay. Next.
Sir, 102, no? You wrote 120.
Sorry. 102. Okay. Next. On the left hand side.
Yes, sir. 7 plus 4, 11. And number 1. Dot and number 1. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. And number 3.
Okay.
Then 3
3,
plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Yes, sir. 6 and 3, 9 and 2, 11. Dot and carry 1 means and number 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Dot and number 6. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4, 11. Dot
dot 1
and number 1. 8, 9 and plus 2, 11. Dot and number 1.
Okay.
Then 1 plus 7, 8 and 8 plus 9, it is 17. Dot and number 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Dot and number 1.
Okay.
Then 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Dot and number 1.
Okay. Number of dots?
Sir, 9 means it's 91.
So 91. So now how to balance and drop units place? Carry
10,
forward 10
11.
place.
11.
91 plus 10?
11. So 91 plus 10, 101.
101.
Yes, sir.
1012.
1012.
Yes, sir. That answer only I got.
Very good. So all of you got understood? Remaining
Yes, sir.
questions. Siddharth.
Yes, sir,
And
understood.
actually, in one Magic Max class, they call this some key addition or something, sir.
Key addition?
Yes, sir.
No, no.
Sir?
Generally, they will call it as a list addition.
Sir, and what is vinculum, sir? I have heard it once.
Vinculum?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is the
Vinculum
line
means
over
bar.
and that bar is there. Yes, sir, that's what.
Vinculum means bar. So on the top of a number, some like
Sir,
0.3
in BODMAS also it
bar.
is there.
Sir, how
0.3 bar means 0.3.
how it is used in maths, sir?
Sir, in BODMAS it is used. Actually, the very first we have to do the bar, that vinculum sum, then bracket,
Yes,
then
yes,
curly
correct.
bracket,
Yeah,
then
in
square
BODMAS
bracket,
also, correct.
like that.
Like what is the value of this expression? 3 into 5 plus 4. What is the value of this expression?
The 19.
19, sir.
19.
19.
The 19.
3 into 5
Now
plus
tell
4.
me, what is the value of this expression?
27.
9.
So because 9 into 3,
3
sir.
into
27. 9
Siddharth,
Yes, sir.
now
First we
got
have to do
understood?
5 plus 4. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Siddharth.
like you kept a vinculum on 5 plus 4, sir.
Yes. So this is a separate question and this is a separate question because instead of bracket, we can use this bar also. Vinculum. We call it as vinculum. So
Yes,
vinculum
sir.
is of first priority. In all the mathematical operators, vinculum is of first priority. So first we have to
Then
resolve
round
this.
bracket, then curly bracket, then square brackets.
Yes. Okay.
Can I try this sum?
Who?
Sir, Shrihita.
Yeah,
Sir,
proceed,
shall I
Srihita.
try it?
Srihita.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So 6 plus 2, 8, and 8 plus 8, 16. So dot 6.
Dot 6, very good.
6 plus 6, 12. Dot 2. 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 plus 1, 10. Dot 0.
Okay.
6 plus 2 is
8.
yes, sir, 8. And
18
8.
something.
Yes. And
Yeah.
8 plus 5 is
13.
13.
13.
Dot 3.
3 plus 4 is 7, and 7 plus 9 is 16. Dot 6.
Okay.
6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Dot 5.
Okay.
And 5 plus 7 is 12. Dot 2.
Okay.
2 plus 8 is 10. Dot 0.
Okay.
4 plus 6 is 10. Dot 0 again.
Okay.
And 3.
3 is the end number. Okay. How many dots are there?
So 9.
9 dots only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
93. Right. First column.
Yes, sir. 7 plus 4, 11.
Okay.
And
Dot 1.
dot 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus 9 is 11 again. Dot 1.
Okay.
1 plus 7 is 8. And 8 plus 4 is 12. Dot 2.
Okay.
2 plus 8 is 10. Dot 0.
Okay.
9 plus 7 is 15. So 16. 16. Dot 5.
Dot 6.
And yes, dot 6. 6 plus 3 is again 9, and 9 plus 8 is 17. Dot 7.
6 plus 3. Where is 1 second? 1 second. I missed somewhere. Or you missed somewhere. See, 7 plus 4, 11. Dot 1. And 1 plus 1, 2. Dot 1 again. And 8. Dot 2. And dot 0. 9 plus 7. Okay. Here there is no dot. Here is the dot. Dot 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, proceed.
Yes, so 6 plus 3, 9, and 9 plus 8 is 17.7.
Okay.
7 plus 8 is 15.5.
Okay.
5 plus 9 is 14.4.
Okay.
4 plus 4, 8, and 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4 is 13.3.
Okay.
3 plus 5, 8, and 8 plus 2, 10.0.
Okay.
2 plus 2, 4.
4 is the
10
end.
dots. 10 dots.
10 dots. So means 104. So now drop 3, carry forward 9. 104 plus 9.
197.
112.
No, we have to add this 9 to 4. 4 means 13.
112. So 112.
112 or 113?
1133.
Yes, sir.
113. 104 plus 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Don't forget small additions. We have done till now. So 1133 finally. Okay. So what if 3-digit numbers are there in the middle? How to put a dot? There may be some disturbance on the left hand side or right hand side if you put a dot. So that's why we can take in the middle column. For the middle column, we can cancel the number or we can cross the number. Okay, we can strike off the number. Akash, what is that?
What, sir?
Something you are showing something.
Sir, while you came here, I was writing something in my notebook.
Okay. Who is going to do this?
Sir, may I do Shahu?
Already done, right?
Sir, can I?
Who is that?
Jashmita, sir.
Sir, she has also done.
Again, I want a new person.
Sir, may I do?
Who?
Sir, how to do the cancelling, sir? I did not understand.
Sir, shall I?
How to do that cancel is some 3, 4, 7, 4, 9. See, if you are adding from top, whenever we got it 10 and whenever we got this sum more than 10, we have to put a dot and above the number you need to remember. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. I'm cancelling. I'm forgetting that 10. To forget the 10, I'm keeping a dot here.
So,
Okay,
sir,
I'm
this
keeping
time no, sir.
4 in the mind. I'm keeping 4 in the mind. And with
Sir,
that 4, I'm proceeding again. Pallav,
sir,
okay?
Sir, shall I try, sir, Pallav? I didn't try till now.
Sir,
Sorry?
I'm Satvik. I asked that, sir. You said in this middle, we should cancel with the middle number, sir. That I did not understand.
Yeah, okay. What is that cancellation? 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Just
Sir,
cancel
not
7.
that, sir.
Now
Sir,
cancellations, number of cancellations is equal to number of tens.
Sir, not that, sir. That I understood totally, sir. In this sum is there no, sir, 3-digit. In that you said
In that 3 digits, I'm telling about a middle column. 3 plus
Yes,
4,
sir.
7. 7 plus 7, 14. Cancel 7 and remember 4.
Okay, sir. Like the same.
Then again same. 4 plus 4,
Sir, may I do
8.
this
8
sum?
plus 9, 17. Cancel 9 and
Sir,
7.
may I do this sum? I didn't try.
Pallav, ready?
Yes, sir. So I will go from top to down, sir. 6 plus 1 gives 7. 7 plus 8 gives 15. So dot 5, sir.
Okay.
Then 5 plus 9 gives 14. So dot 4, sir.
Okay.
4 plus 7 gives 11. So dot 1, sir.
Okay.
And 1 plus 2 gives 3. 3 plus 8 gives 11. So dot 1, sir.
Okay.
1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So dot 2, sir.
2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6. Okay. Dot 2.
Can I do next one?
Wait.
2 plus 4 gives 6. 6 plus 6 gives 12. So dot 2, sir.
Dot 2.
2 plus 1 gives 3. 3 plus 2 gives 5. 5 plus 8 gives 13, sir. So dot 13.
Dot 3. Okay.
Then 3 plus 6 gives 9, sir.
Means 9 is the end number. Number of dots?
Yes, sir.
1.
79,
7.
sir.
79 is the first column. Means the
Yes, sir.
rightmost. Middle.
Sir, 5 plus 2 gives 7. 7 plus 9 gives 16. So dot 6, sir. 6 plus 7 gives 13, sir. So dot 3.
Okay.
2 plus 3 gives 5. 5 plus 9 gives so dot 4, sir.
Okay.
6 plus 4 gives 10. So dot 0 means
Dot
nothing,
0.
sir.
Okay.
2 plus 1 plus 7 gives 10, sir. So again dot 0.
Okay.
9 plus 7 gives 16 means dot 6.
Okay.
6 plus 5 gives 11. So dot 1.
Okay.
1 plus 8 gives 9. 9 plus 1 gives 10. So 0, sir. Again dot 0.
Okay.
0 plus 2 gives 2 itself.
2. Number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the 8. 82, right?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, 4 plus 7 gives 11, sir. So dot 11. Dot 1, sir. 1 plus 6 gives 7. 7 plus 4 gives 11, sir. So dot 1.
Okay.
Dot 1 plus 2 gives 3. 3 plus 4 gives 7. 7 plus 7 gives 14, sir. So dot 4.
Okay.
4 plus 5 gives 9, sir. 9 plus 1 gives 18. So dot 8.
Okay.
8 plus 8, 16. So dot 6.
Okay.
6 plus 3 gives 9. 9 plus 8 gives 17. So dot 7.
Okay.
7 plus 4 gives 11. So dot 1.
Okay.
1 plus 6 gives 7 plus 9. 7 plus 3 gives 10. So dot 0, sir.
Okay.
0 plus 7 gives 7, sir.
7 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the 8.
807, sir.
87. Just.
Yes, sir.
Now balance.
9. First digit sum is 9, sir. 7 plus 2 gives 9. And 8 plus 7 gives 15.
And this
So,
8.
Yes, sir.
87 plus 8. 87
sir.
plus 8.
Yes, sir. So 7 plus 8 gives 15. 95, sir. 9599.
Very good. 95.
Sir, instead of adding later, like in first row, if we get 79, we can keep the 7 on the next row, no, sir?
Yes, we can do it in that way also. So
Okay.
simply you are saying write 9 here, sir. Write 9 here.
Wait. Sir is telling wait.
Sir, our science class will start, sir, in 15 minutes.
At what time?
6:15.
More 15 minutes is there, sir.
Yeah, 6:15, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is one question, I think. If you want, we'll complete this one. Otherwise, I'll send it as a
Can I say this one?
Sir, you can send us homework.
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Sir, may I do this?
Somebody is
Sir,
telling
can I?
time is up. I'll send it in the homework.
Sir, am I audible?
Sir,
Shahu.
no, sir, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is there, sir.
Okay. Then
Can I tell,
classes.
sir?
Wait.
Sir, may I do it?
Wait. Officially, class is over. Whoever want to leave, they can leave. Okay. Somebody, Siddharth and Shahu are going to do this question. One column, one person.
Sir, even me. Satvik, sir.
Okay, 3 persons, 3 columns.
Then I also want to do Pallav.
So what
Pallav,
3
please,
rows are over?
your
Sir,
turn is
do
over.
one thing. By your own, add one random row again. Extra one.
So, okay, this is Satvik, this is Siddharth, and this is Shahu. Okay. Ready?
But Sahu already did once.
Oh, shit.
Sir, it's okay, sir. Let's do it.
Sir, first,
Siddharth, okay.
Sahu should start, sir.
So Sahu should start first.
Anyone
Sir,
can
may
start.
I?
Anyone, any row can, you can do it in any row, from any row.
Sir,
So,
may I do?
We use balancing rule, no problem, no issue.
Sir,
Sir,
do
6
it.
plus 6, 12 and
One
dot-
second, I'll stop the recording.